Hello friends, this is KD and you are watching Learning and Sharing with KD. In this video, we are going to see Excel shortcuts. To create a new workbook, just press Ctrl N. Ctrl N will create new workbook for you. To create entire column, you just select Ctrl and space. It will select entire column. If you want to select entire row, then just press Shift space. It will select entire row. If you want to select rest of the row columns, then just press Ctrl Shift and down arrow. Okay. If you want to select rest of the column, then just press Ctrl Shift and right arrow. If you want to select entire data which is filled in the Excel, just press Ctrl All. It will select entire filled data. If you want to copy, then press Ctrl C. If you want to paste, then use Ctrl V. If you want to undo data, then press Ctrl Z. If you want to add any hyperlink in the Excel, so just press Ctrl K and select the document. Just select the document for hyperlink. If you want to add format to the cell, then just press Ctrl 1. It will open format cell window. If you want to auto sum the entire salary column, then just press Ctrl Shift down arrow, then press Alter minus equal to. Thanks guys for watching.